We all have questions running through our minds about lots of different topics. For example, we often think about, will I get in college? Who will I go to prom with? What am I doing next weekend? Should I ask him or her out? When am I going to have time to study? Not only do we worry about day-to-day things and about our future, we oftentimes have lots of questions about our health. One of the biggest questions most people often wonder is whether they are the right weight. A good place to start is by learning about body mass index, or BMI. BMI is a number that is calculated to estimate how much body fat a person has based on their weight and height. Why is BMI important? BMI can help a doctor identify people who are overweight or at risk of developing medical problems such as high blood pressure, diabetes, or high cholesterol. How do I calculate my BMI?
You can easily calculate your BMI online. Websites like cdc.gov provide online BMI calculators that are easy to use. Just search for Teen BMI Calculator.
The calculator will ask your birth date, gender, height, and weight. If you are under the age of 20, the calculator will tell you what is your BMI and BMI percentile. A person's BMI percentile is a way of showing how his or her measurements compare to people the same age. For example, if a person has a BMI in the 65th percentile, 64% of other people the same gender and age have a lower BMI. How will I know what my BMI means? Most BMI calculators will show you a graph letting you know if your BMI percentile falls in one of the 4 categories: underweight, healthy weight, overweight, or obese. Let's look at an example. Male, date of birth, June 16, 1999. Weight, 130 pounds. Height, 5 feet. This person's BMI is 25.4. Their BMI percentile is 92, which means that 91% of other people the same gender and age have a lower BMI. His BMI falls in the overweight range. Once you get the results, it's a good idea to ask a doctor or school nurse to help you figure out what they mean. BMI is not perfect. For example, people who are muscular may have a high BMI, but it does not necessarily mean that they have too much body fat. Also, during adolescence, it is not uncommon for teens to gain weight quickly. It helps to talk with a healthcare professional to figure out if there has been any normal weight gain.